Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of EVA Air's business class amenity kit. As always, remember to follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So here's a look at the EVA amenity kit. It's Salvatore Ferragamo. So as you see there, there's the bag, pretty nice bag there. So the contents, you get another small bag that's inside of the bag. So I guess if you want to just carry certain things with you. So you've got a facial mist. Here you have the lip balm. And this is all Salvatore Ferragamo branded. Body lotion. Earplugs. A comb. A glasses wipe. Eye mask, and you've got toothbrush and toothpaste included in that amenity kit. So that is what you can expect inside of the amenity kit given out in business class on EVA Air's flights. As always, I do appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.